Time to water the plants. We got some peppers here. I'm just gonna do something goofy. I'm put the seeds in the water really quick. We've got garden beans, carrots, and hot pepper habaneros, which these seem like tiny seeds. Flowers and succulents and fruits and veggies all belong in different pots because they grow differently. We got a dragon fruit, little boop boop.
You show them the peas?
No, look at the peas. Got this big batch of mint over here. I mean, it's not like we don't have a giant bush of mint. All of our flowers are doing so good. And again, it's because they're in a plastic pot. So flowers grow really well in their plastic pots versus a ceramic pot. They're lemon. You don't want to water all around the pot because then the sunshine will soak up all the water instead of the plant. And our dragon fruit, ooh, this one is getting so big. Good. Look. Look. Oop, that one. Good old-fashioned way. Somebody came to join me. Oh, I'm getting kisses. You want some water? Come on. But it's yummy. It's good for you. It's not a plaything. You gotta eat it. Okay, Mana, sit. Say hi to Mana, my puppy. German Shepherd Border Collie. She's such a good girl. Yes, you are. Look at her. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty.